Namaskar. I am Dr. Anirban Roy, Senior Consultant Dental Surgeon, UTI Gatewell Hospital. Basically, in our hospital, we have a state-of-art department of dentistry from 2012, since the inception of this hospital. We have catered close to 18,000 patients, and from routine dental work to advanced dental procedures we are doing in our hospital, and basically it's a one-stop solution for all your dental needs. Right from routine dentistry like scaling, filling, routine extractions, to advanced dentistry like we do complete rotary endodontics, and we have done several thousand single visit RCT in our hospital. We have come up with non-contact mode laser applications and procedures. We are doing, though we have a committed maxillofacial unit, and along with that all routine oral surgical works are done in our department. And of course we are into implantology, right from one single implant to full mouth rehabilitation. We have several varieties of implant according to the situation demands. We do implants, and as I told you, we do full mouth rehabilitation also. We have several thousands happy patients at the end of the day, and the point which I want to highlight is like we have a qualified dental assistant and qualified nurses, which is very important, and we maintain a strict protocol of sterilization, as this era of maintaining sterilization. So for your any dental needs, we are there to bring your smile back in whatever form, and of course we do aesthetic and smile designing also. Thank you.